Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by turning on the features Snapchat needs to find people near you. First, enable location and background app refresh in your phone settings so Snap Map stays updated. Once done, open Snapchat and go to the map from the lower left or tap your profile, then add friends. Make sure to accept the Snap Map permission prompt and choose precise location if you want accurate nearby results. This ensures other features like quick add and map search work correctly. Now focus on finding people using the map and search tools. Pinch to zoom the Snap Map and scan for Bitmoji icons or heat spots that show activity. These indicate nearby users. Next, use the search bar to type usernames, real names, or places. When Snapchat offers a nearby or people option, tap it to narrow results to your area. Once you spot someone, tap their Bitmoji or location card to view their profile, see stories, send a message, or add them as a friend. Finish the process by connecting politely and handling issues. When you find someone nearby, send a short intro snap or message before adding to avoid unwanted requests. This explains who you are and why you reached out. If you can't find people, make sure location is enabled, update Snapchat to the latest version, and restart your phone. These steps fix most visibility problems. Finally, respect privacy. Don't stalk locations, and use ghost mode if you don't want to be visible on Snap Map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.